Happy birthday, Mary and Matthew. I'd like to say happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your day. And yeah, just be happy. And can't wait to see you in person.
To my friend Marian, happy birthday, my dear friend. Wishing you the best, more blessing, good health. God bless, my friend.
Hi Marianne, happy birthday. Wishing you a fantastic day filled with joy and laughter. Although we haven't met in person, I've enjoyed following you and getting to know you through your posts. I look forward to getting to know you even better in the future. Have a wonderful birthday and take care.
Good morning. Hi, sis. Hi, sis Marian. Happy birthday sa'yo. Wala akong ibang hiling ngayong araw ng birthday mo ay maging masaya ka at mag-enjoy ka. More birthday sa'yo at more healthy sa'yo at sa iyong pamilya mo. Sana soon magkita na tayo kaya ingat ka palagi dyan. Love you. Mwah. 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! O, blow mo to.
Happy birthday!
Ate Mary Ann! Oh, happy birthday, ate! Oh, dali, sabihin mo.
Happy birthday, Ate Melian! Birthday
Enjoy
mo na.
your day po. Good health. Yun lang po. Bye. Thank you. Hi, Marianne. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Hoping this year will bring you more good news and happiness, and most of all, health, good health. Thank you. Wishing you all. Bye. Happy birthday.
Hi to Miss Marian Mateo, ang aking kababata. Wishing you all the best on your birthday, man. I really hope na maging enjoyable ang araw mo sa ngayon. At kahit na marami kang naging mga kaibigan, so don't worry, we're still here for you. So, be blessed, be good, and be healthy. God bless all the way, all the time. Be happy. Good luck.
Happy birthday, Sis Mayan. I will sing a song, Happy Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Love you with the love of the Lord.
Happy birthday, Tita Marian. Special day. Sana mag-enjoy ka dahil ito ang araw na nilang ka. Good health to your ano pa ba? Sana matapos na lahat ng problema. Hindi ka na problema. na rin ako nag-Facebook na mag-reels na happy birthday. Basta happy birthday